Hello and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. As you all know, my name's John. I'm a practicing British and international lawyer, backed up by in-house Thai lawyers, barristers, accountants and consultants. Our English-speaking team here at Anglo Siam Legal are conveniently located just by Big C, Pattaya Thai. Now, for our followers, we always do updates on cases now and again when we have clients' permission, and today we're here to share a case that we've been working on over the past month or so. So I'm entitling this The Family Land Trap, a cautionary tale from Thailand. So imagine this, you've been living in Thailand for years, you meet the man or woman of your dreams, you get married, you settle down, and you buy land. There's an offer from the family, the in-laws, to buy 2 rai of beautiful land in upstate Isan to build your beautiful, end of time, one and only dream home. You buy the land, you invest, but you haven't done due diligence. Fast forward 5 years, relationships in trouble, the client comes to us seeking a divorce and division of assets, particularly with regard to the land that he's provided the finances for and the money to buy a house. So, the fatal error. Our client, and we'll call him Mark, didn't perform a single shred of due diligence. He handed over cash based on a handshake and a document that he couldn't read. The document was Soh Porkor. It was a certificate. In Thailand, SPK, Soh Porkor land, is government land. It's designed by the Agricultural Land Reform Office for farming purposes only. Here's the hard truth that we've had to tell Mark. Ownership. You cannot own SPK land. The state owns it. The holder only has the right to occupy and farm the land. It cannot be bought, it cannot be sold, it can only be passed down to heirs who are also farmers. As a foreigner or an expat, you have zero path to registered leases or usufruct or other rights on SPK land because the land cannot be encumbered. The harsh reality, Mark is entitled to nothing. Because the sale between the family and Mark was illegal from the start, the law does not recognise his investment. Bottom line, you cannot claim a division of assets or property that was built illegally on government-owned land. Since the land cannot be sold to a third party to recover costs, and the family technically shouldn't have been building the mansion there anyway, Mark is facing a total loss. In the eyes of the Thai court, the 5 million baht was essentially a gift to the land itself. There is no chenote, no title deed, no lien against it, and no legal way to reverse the sale. What's the lessons here? For anybody looking to buy property in Thailand, whether it's from a sale and or especially from family members, and sometimes that's quite sad to say, especially from in-laws, non-negotiable is the need for due diligence. The most important part under any circumstances, never buy land without independent due diligence. Due diligence carried out by our lawyers, who are experienced commercial lawyers, will check the title, verifying the type of deed at the land office to see what can and cannot be done. Boundary checks to ensure what you're paying for actually exists. Encumbrance checks, looking for hidden mortgages or restrictions. Zoning laws if you're looking to build. Conclusion is quite simply this. We're handling Mark's case at the moment. The outlook is going to be bittersweet. He will get the divorce that he does want and require, and he will be legally free. However, because he bypassed simple legal structures and safeguards at the very beginning, he will likely see none of his 5 million baht that he's invested. 5 million baht at the start, then renovations, upgrades, etc. So, the moral of the story is quite simply this. For the small amount of money it would take to employ a lawyer, whether it's Anglo Siam Legal or another, to do the legal due diligence from the very beginning could save you millions. Is it worth spending a few £100, or is it worth the risk of losing a few million? Obviously, the choice is yours, but what I would say is, if in your home country, if you were buying a house in the UK, America, Australia, Canada, would you buy a house without employing a lawyer or a solicitor to check? Personally, I wouldn't. So what's the difference here? Why come here when the Thai system is unknown, the language is unknown, the land is unknown, the documents and procedures are unknown? Why go it alone when you wouldn't do that back home? For all of your legal needs, this is a cautionary tale. Come see us at Anglo Legal. We're here to protect your investment and make sure you are legally covered for anything you do in Thailand. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, check us out on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for watching.